Build your dream world inside the reality of ComFORT. Convert your living room into an epic pillow fort and prepare for a peaceful nap. Start your game by selecting 4 corners in your space. The Passthrough technology lets you interact with your space and furniture while adding a whimsical virtual touch.
Okay.
Use your hands to shape your space to secure the perfect napping spot. Use a hand gesture to summon pillows to your wall and stack them on top of each other. When you finish building or run out of pillows, just do a hand gesture and start the defending game. Shoot pillows with your fingers and shout "bang" loudly to get away those little enemies.
Bang. Bang.
Have your allies protect you. Command their action with a calling gesture
Protect north.
and say in the direction you want them to go to.
Bang. Bang.
Fend off enemies by telling them to go away.
Go back.
Let the pillow fort invade your living room and enjoy ComFORT.